Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Lumpiang Hubad is a delightful Filipino dish, essentially a fresh spring roll without the wrapper. It's truly a healthier and lighter take on a classic, allowing all those vibrant vegetable flavors to shine through. You'll enjoy the familiar savory and sweet notes, but in a refreshing, easy-to-eat bowl. This version is perfect for anyone looking for a satisfying, nutritious meal that still feels wonderfully comforting and authentic. It truly brings the essence of Filipino home cooking to your table. For our fresh Lumpiang Hubad, you'll want a colorful array of vegetables such as jicama, carrots, green beans, and cabbage. These provide a wonderful crunch and natural sweetness. We'll also use ground pork or small shrimp for a savory protein boost, adding depth to the filling. Don't forget garlic and onions for aromatics, along with soy sauce and oyster sauce for seasoning. Having these fresh components ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. To create our flavorful filling, begin by sautéing minced garlic and chopped onions in a bit of oil until they become wonderfully aromatic. Next, add your ground pork or shrimp, breaking it up and cooking until it's no longer pink and perfectly browned. Once the protein is ready, toss in your prepared vegetables. Stir-fry them briefly, aiming for that ideal crisp tender texture, then season with soy sauce, oyster sauce, and a touch of black pepper. The signature sweet-savory peanut sauce truly elevates Lumpiang Hubad. To make it, combine water, brown sugar, soy sauce, and a creamy peanut butter in a saucepan. Stir these ingredients together until everything is well blended and smooth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then gradually whisk in a cornstarch slurry to achieve that perfect, glossy, thick consistency. This rich, nutty sauce balances the fresh filling beautifully, adding a burst of flavor to every single bite. Assembling Lumpiang Hubad is wonderfully simple and satisfying. Start by layering a bed of fresh lettuce on your serving plate or bowl. Then, generously spoon the warm, flavorful vegetable and meat filling over the lettuce base. The magic happens when you lavishly drizzle that luscious, homemade peanut sauce all over your creation. For an extra flourish and delightful texture, sprinkle with crushed peanuts and perhaps some toasted garlic. It's now ready to savor and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.